In today's episode, we're working on a 2011 F-250. The shop attempted to program the body control module using an Autel. The flash completed and said finished, but there's a problem. It installed the wrong calibration. Now the BCM thinks the truck has dual rear wheels when it actually a single rear wheel setup. That misconfiguration can cause all kinds of issues. So today, I'll walk you through the programming process using ASBUILT data, leading to us properly reprogramming the BCM the right way. Stay tuned. This is key on, engine off. I don't show the pre-scan here, but it gave me the direction of, let me just try and add the key in and see if we can complete the initial configuration and get rid of one of the fault codes, U2100. Now, it took the key, we added it in with an Autel first, just to try it this way. Yeah, it does say fail, yet it still works. What's funny is, whenever they programmed the BCM with the tablet, it said successful, but yet it failed. So, even though it says it failed, we're going to see that it most likely did not fail. We have a running driving vehicle now. So we're going to go back. We need to do the TPMS still. All right, so now we're going to put this thing into learn mode. So ignition's off. We're going to press the brake pedal. 1, 2, 3. Press the brake pedal. Off. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to use the tool to train each sensor. On right front. Right rear. Left rear. After clearing all the fault codes, BCM still pulls up more codes. Go and read it. We got TPMS. It says front sensor assemblies are a problem. So are the left and right rears. What's going on is it thinks it's a dually. We know that's not. So we're going to have to properly configure this. Basically reflash it. That's where OE tooling comes in hand. This is the J2534 software. Go ahead and get plugged into this thing. We run our self-test first. We want to see what DTCs are stored. And let me tell you, this OE software takes forever. So we see here there's U2200 control module configuration memory corrupt. That's the problem one. That's the one that we have to get around, and hopefully that doing the PMI will correct it. So it's going to go through and verify the VIN. Autel did program the VIN correctly, but as you can see, we're unable to read the proper data out of the BCM. Doing our ignition cycles. And it begins to program different sectors inside of the BCM. Come on. Almost finished. Right there. Couple more sectors. So here's where it wants to do as-built data. It's going to pump it in there. I chose automatic, which means it pulls it off of the server, which it successfully did. Then it tells us the CEI lock configuration and battery monitoring reset, if possible. Now we know the CEI has already been done. Programming is complete. I always do a screenshot. I provide that to the customer for programming, proof of programming. Body, service functions. Let's go ahead and clear those DTCs. And we see that the BCM no longer has any active DTCs. So the U2200 cleared, The U2100 that was also there, which is initial configuration not complete, is now cleared. Our CEI lock configuration is already done. The TPMS is programmed as well. The parameter reset already been done. It has 2 keys. This is a running vehicle with no stored faults, no lights on the dash. That would be a job well done. We did a key cycle. We're going to go ahead and check those DTCs once again, just to verify. And we are good to go. So a pro tip at the very end, I like to save everything I did onto a notepad. I copy and paste the entire thing, and I save that for myself in case I ever need it. Alright, that wraps up the 2011 F250 BCM reprogramming. Autel completed the flash, but pushed the wrong calibration. We brought it back using factory tooling, ASBUILT data, and got the truck configured correctly. If you run into no starts, flash failures, or electrical headaches, this is what I do every day. Subscribe for real-world diagnostics and programming content. I'll catch you in the next one.